This home I grew up in. My father built this house in the early 70s. And when we decided to take on the challenge of remodeling the home and moving in, we wanted to be very careful to keep most of what was here and not change it too much. Of course, my mother said she was very happy here for 42 years and didn't think she needed to change anything. We decided to reuse some of the materials. So the original roof was a mansard roof and it was slate. And so we reused the slate, and that causes a lot of other challenges because you don't want to have materials next to the slate that have to be constantly maintained. So the Jain NuCedar works perfectly with it because it is maintenance free. It's going to look better for longer, and we're not going to have painters having to repaint areas where they're going to be in contact with the slate. This product allowed us to showcase authentic workmanship, so we can do woven corners. In the past, when we install real cedar, it looks great when we install it, and things start curling and moving around and splitting, especially on some of the hotter sides of the house and near metal roofs and where there's a reflection. And this product, it's going to work well with high temperatures reflected off the slate, and it's absolutely gorgeous. In combination with the natural product, which is the slate, this synthetic product is a much better system. Once people see this product, I just can't see where they would choose any other product. As a custom home builder, we're always looking for new and innovative products, and NuCedar from Jain certainly fits the bill. I would use this product on what I would call a heritage home, a home that's going to stay in the family for generations. This product, you're not going to have to do anything with it, so obviously it will increase the value of your home because you have reduced maintenance. When we first started looking into the NuCedar, I was impressed with the literature and the videos that Jain puts out, which shows really how easy it is to install. That being said, you need to have skilled craftsmen install it, but it is a product that's easy to use, and by just looking at the videos, any nationality can understand how to install this product and achieve authentic details like woven corners. For the beauty and the maintenance-free properties of the product, we definitely will be using this product again.